Hello everyone. I'm giving demo about Excel based application to transfer data to and from Excel to Tally. I will give link in the description. Topics covered in this video are how to download trial version from website, how to install it on PC, how to fetch information from Tally, how to export data to Tally, how to save templates. By clicking on link in description, you will be redirected to this page. Click on buy now. You will be redirected to pricing page where you can see different plans like trial or basic plans. More plans are coming in future. Some features are not available in these two versions. To get free trial you need to have an account in this website. If you don't have an account you can sign up. To activate your account you need to verify your email ID. You will receive an email with the email confirmation link. By clicking on that link, you can verify your email ID. If you didn't receive an email in your inbox, check out your spam folder. Once your email ID is verified, now you can log into our website. After login, you can see Get Trial button is visible on pricing page. Now by clicking on that Get Trial button, a setup file is downloaded. To install the application, you need to run this file as administrator. If you see this error, click on more info and click on run anyway. Now it will ask to install. Now click on install button. It will be installed. A desktop shortcut is added. Click on that one. Now some required files are downloaded from internet. Just wait for that to complete. Once the download is complete, you will be prompted with a login screen. You have to use the same credentials which you use in our website. For one trial license, you can add only one device. Multiple devices are not allowed. Here we can see that two companies are open in Tally and we can select any one of the company and continue. If you go to data sheet, you can see all types of accounts data is imported from Tally like ledgers, groups, etc. All this data is live data. If any change happen in Tally, it will reflect here. If you change the company selected, based on the company selected, it will fetch data from Tally. Here are templates for group, ledgers and vouchers. Now I am going to show you how to import group data from Tally to Excel. You can use this feature to migrate data from one company to other company or to bulk edit groups. Once you fill the group name, if you click on Prefill groups from Tally, it will fetch all information related to that group name and show it here. You can import ledger info same as groups. First you need to enter ledger names you want to import from Tally. After entering ledger names, you need to click on Prefill Legends from Tally. This will fetch all information related to that ledger and show here. Now I am going to show you how to export groups from Excel to Tally. First you need to enter some basic data like group name, parent group, etc. After you click on export groups, the group will be created successfully. Now I will show you how to export ledgers from Excel to Tally. First you need to enter ledger name, parent and other necessary details and click on export ledgers. It will create all ledgers in Tally. Now I will show you how to alter ledgers using Excel to Tally. First you need to import ledger info from Tally using Prefill Legends from Tally option. After importing data, you need to make necessary changes. After making necessary changes to all ledgers, you click on Change Action button. Change Alter Action to Alter. Click on Save. Now click on Export Ledgers. This will alter ledgers instead of creating new ledgers. Vouchers template is dynamic. You can change voucher template according to your needs. You can add ledgers. You can delete ledgers. But two ledgers are mandatory for voucher. You can enable bill allocation, party details. You can add party details or references ledger wise. You will export some dummy vouchers, sales vouchers with three references. After data is set up, we can click on export vouchers. This will create vouchers in Tally. If you made any changes to default voucher templates and want to save the changes for future, you can save the template by clicking on Save Template button and giving it a name of your choice. Then click on Save Template button. Your template is added to template list and you can select the template and work on that. If you are running Tally on a different PC or on cloud, instead of localhost, you should put public IP of that PC on which Tally is running.